Hi everyone! I continued the finishing sandstone window openings in the Art Deco style, and today next in turn are window slopes. And this detail in particular, which should join the large radius of the arch with the sharp corner of the window. It should be light, if I may say so, about the stone. I don't have large stone cutting machines at my disposal, but I've got a big grinder and a hammer. You will be surprised how much you can do with these tools. Then I've made these fixtures. They allow me to quickly and accurately position the part on the machine. But I forgot that the part will need to be fixed somehow. So again, the grinder will help. Further, the process explains itself and will look cooler by the music without my comments. And this stage of work is over. It's time to remove even more excess material, because now I don't need this area for attaching the workpiece. Here is my advice. Always think over the order of work with the detail from the very beginning. This will save quite a lot of time, especially if you, like me, work alone. Now behold and see all the rigidity and reliability of this setup. It's all about the sequence of operations. This stage of work will be much easier and more reliable to do at the very beginning. This groove is necessary for connecting the parts together and attaching them to the wall. I make a similar groove in the panel that will be between these two parts. And now the CNC processing is over. It remains only to remove the attachment points and traces of the tool. But while I was working on the CNC, summer came, and now we have to wait until I put on my favorite shorts, and then we will start. Well, now for such an outfit, we need appropriate music. Yes, the machine also mills metal, more or less acceptable. The purpose of this part will become clear in a minute. Now, let's move on to the part I'm not proud of. Yes, it is wood. In my defense, I can say that YouTubers didn't come up with this idea for connecting cracks in epoxy resin tables. This technique was used by the ancient Egyptians to connect stone blocks together. So this is my way of expressing respect and admiration for the outstanding stone workers of that time. And it's also oak, which makes the crime of woodworking less severe, I guess. And here let me explain. It's not that I don't like wood, I just don't trust it. It expands, shrinks, absorbs moisture, dries out. You can't trust something that can change in size and shape while you are not looking. But the Egyptians, respect! I need to gather my will and get through this. Okay, it's all over now. Unfortunately, that's all for today. So please stay tuned. In the meantime, thank you for watching.